Yo, what's
What's
up?
up?
So it's a very beautiful afternoon today here in Bali, and we decided we're gonna have a coffee in one hotel. It's called Commune in East Bali, right?
Yeah, so we just decide to have a chill by the pool and also by the ocean.
Yeah.
Just relaxing day.
So check this out. It's a really beautiful place.
The garden here, it's very tropical garden and everything like the what is it called? The plants.
Banana leaf.
Banana leaf. It's very nice, I feel like I don't know, they really well maintain the garden.
Very nice garden indeed.
Okay, so now we are heading to the restaurant. I think that we were here, I think 2 times before, right? In our vlog also we show this place.
Yeah, we were here 2 times, but that was already quite long time ago, and we got many new subscribers since that time. So why not to show you again? Actually, I really like this place.
I
This
like
is-
the place, the vibe. It's not like, famous Finns Beach Club or any other beach club with full of people. But yeah, this place is more relaxing, like restaurant with the ocean view and the
Yes,
coconut
indeed.
trees. It's very
Beautiful.
nice.
Okay, they have a coffee, so that's good, and it's beautiful ocean and the palm trees. It's a bit windy, but I think it's very nice.
Yeah, and then I think that this hotel is famous for the night surfing, and I think that the famous surfers Kelly Slater used to surfing here and then enjoy the time.
All right, we are get our seat. We order some drink. Meanwhile, I just want to show you how does it look like. It's actually a beautiful swimming pool and the beach. Unfortunately, beach seems a little bit dirty today. I mean, this is like ocean dirt, and we're gonna have a little bit walk. I just want to show you 360 degree. How does it look like? Few people around, actually only few, not so many, but yeah. All right, and we have a wee walk on the beach. By the way, it's very windy today, as you can see, and we got ourselves a few days ago the brand new microphones, and I hope so you can hear us properly, and I hope so you notice the difference. So you can comment below what do you think about that, if it's better or worse. Yeah.
Let's have a walk and then enjoy the breeze, the ocean, and yeah. So the typical of the East Bali and also West Bali sand is a black sand like this.
Black sand,
Black
and it's
sand.
little bit sparkle even. I'm not
Yeah.
sure if you can see on the camera, but it's little bit sparkle.
Yeah.
And yeah, sad thing is only is this little bit of the ocean rubbish, but this is not like a rubbish like plastic. It's like wood and everything.
Mostly like the the rubbish from the wood, that from the ocean. Yeah,
that's
it's sad, but
that's normal thing. And yeah,
let's have a walk then.
let's have a walk. There are some fishermen people. And if you are curious, this place is only about 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes from Sanur. Actually, we can see facing this, this direction, Grand Ina Hotel in Sanur, so it's really not so far. And yeah, but it's very quiet, very peaceful, and the beach is different. I don't know, I just really like this. Maybe I like this place very much because of the so many coconut trees or something like that. It's really nice to be here.
Yeah, I like this one because of this area is more locally and then not much tourist. Restaurant here, only that in the commune, and yeah, only the small warung, 1 or 2 small warung, and that's it. And the sand, black sand, so nice. And then mostly that the locals going here.
And like
And-
I said, the sand is sparkle. Can you see this? It's sparkle. So cool. And in this direction is East Bali. Actually, the mountains of East Bali over there also beautiful.
Because we are in the area of almost East Bali, so that's the Mount Agong. It's covered by the cloud, But mostly that if there is no cloud, we can see clearly beautiful Mount Agung from here. Okay, so as you see there are the rooms, and then I think that there are 2 floors. So basically that's the hotel, and then the room, and then you see the small kid on the rope on the top. Yeah, I think that this hotel is a child-friendly hotel.
All right, cheers, honey.
Cheers!
Coconut with bintang, but yeah, it's so nice. I don't know, I just...
Okay, maybe most of you are asking about this place, like, is it, you know, with the bed, is it a minimum spend here or
No.
something like that? No.
There's
Actually,
no
you
minimum
just
spend.
come and then, yeah, swim and then enjoy the beach, ocean.
Yeah, bintang.
Bintang, a
Okay,
coconut.
the prices here maybe like bintang and coconut is about 50,000. So maybe they are not the cheapest in Bali, but in places like this you pay for the place where you can drink that, right? And also at least this is no minimum spend like in many places in Canggu and in Uluwatu. So it's actually not so bad, really not so bad.
Yeah, smacznego.
Smacznego. And
Yeah.
as you see, there are actually 1 or 2 families around, and they are kids-friendly place. So maybe if you have kids and you are thinking about kids-friendly place, this is probably a good place. And just before I'm gonna start eating my nachos, I just wanna mention, and this is not any kind of paid endorsement, but we just, if we are going somewhere and we like something, we will mention it. If something not really nice, we also mention, like last time in Ubud, right? Smacznego.
It's very nice to see that, you know, how the kids playing on the beach, like, yeah, mixed with locals and also foreigner. It's so good.
Yeah, very nice. Actually, this area is also famous. So many expats living in this area. So it's getting to be cloudy, but somehow you can see the Mount Agung right now over there. So that's actually really nice. And it's going also to be low tide, so you can walk and look for some I don't know, some seafood. Crabs, a lot of crabs actually here around. It's beautiful. Even the sky is cloudy, but it's still beautiful. Sun is going down, and here some family is gonna have a firewood, which is pretty cool. That's so nice, there's still people doing this. All right, guys, so that's how it looks, our afternoon in Bali.
Yeah, we just chill and everything and just enjoy our day. I think that's all our video today from East Bali, Kramas area. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!
See ya, take care, guys.